All right. You know what else is free? Snow. At no cost to you, you're going to get some snow on Sunday. The snow chances remain at near certainty levels. So this is not a question of if or we will or won't get snow. We will get some. The amounts, obviously, is the $64 million question. Bitter, bitter cold settles in here on Saturday, and snow likely to start. There's a little disagreement on when it starts. I still think it starts some point late Saturday, maybe after sundown, but be ready for a very cold, fluffy, accumulating snow start to finish on Sunday. Sunday will be the big accumulation day. Now, each model run is showing things a little bit different. The European model now is really trying to bring some milder air up into this situation. Now, it shows as ice here. This is probably still just going to be snow, but the wedge of Arctic cold goes all the way down into the Carolinas. If you're traveling this weekend, you need to be on the lookout because there's likely to be a significant ice storm for places like Raleigh, Charlotte, Atlanta. That could snarl air travel for sure. We're too far north. We're going to be below freezing the entire time. So there might be a little bit more in the way of some sleet or something that's mixing in. The American model doesn't have that transition at all. It leaves us in the only snow category all through the course of the event. This is Sunday evening. It tries to bring a little bit of that sleet line up to southern Maryland. So Chuck's chances for snow remain very high, and I keep moving the numbers up as confidence in how much snow we're going to get continues to climb. Now a 90% chance we get at least the full 5 inches of snow, and a 70% chance now in the 6 to 12 inch range. That's a big step up from where I was yesterday, and an even bigger step up than that. I think there's now a 50% chance we get more than a foot. That's a significant snowstorm for sure. If you have a generator and a snowblower, make sure it's in running order before the snow starts. If you have prescription medication that needs to be refilled early next week, get it refilled this week because you're not going to want to be outside next week after Sunday. We're starting off mostly in the teens this morning, so it is extra cold. We'll end up around 40 or so for a high today and above 50 tomorrow, and a quiet day on Friday. Most of us are quiet for the majority of the day Saturday, but look at that, a high of only 20 degrees on Saturday, and we're hovering near 20 all day Sunday with the snow around here, and nowhere near melting temperatures anytime early next week.